Alright, so this is day 6 of learning how to weld aluminum. As previously stated, I was having a hard time getting a putter to build. Kept going, and the puddle just kept burning. But it's crazy because I was able to get it at one point. But I sharpened my tungsten and it came back to this. Sharpen my tungsten again. I was able to get this out of it. I'm using these right here. And these is how they're ending up. Because obviously I touched at the end. So I believe I need to sharpen my tungstens a lot better to get a steadier burn. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong on that. And thank you for following the journey.